Flurona is a buzzword used a lot lately to describe an infection of both the flu and COVID. It is not a new strain of the coronavirus, but a dual infection. However, what's the impact of Flurona here in Alabama? Our Kanisha Dees tells us with this Verify segment.
COVID and the flu, two very contagious viruses, and with the Omicron variant surge in the backdrop, health experts say the flu has risen a bit this year compared to 2021. So with the new term coined flurona, are there any cases here in Alabama? Let's verify. Here are our sources: the Alabama Department of Public Health State Health Officer Dr. Karen Landers and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Here's what Dr. Landers had to say about cases in Alabama.
A laboratory did report yesterday a couple of cases. An out-of-state laboratory reported back to a couple of providers. But certainly we know we've had persons co-infected with both viruses. So while this term has been used, keep in mind that individual cases of influenza are not reportable to the Alabama Department of Public Health. COVID-19, of course, is reportable, but we really do not have a mechanism to determine if a person is co-infected with both viruses.
Dr. Landers offers this advice on what you can do to protect yourself and your family and those around you.
And when we're talking about influenza, again, this is something that's been around for a long time. And first of all, I remind people it is not too late to get vaccinated against influenza. So what I remind people, though, is still COVID is going to be around. So don't wait to get vaccinated. Don't wait to start your vaccine journey.
So we can verify that the Alabama Department of Public Health says there were reports of flu and COVID simultaneously here in Alabama, according to an out-of-state lab. However, remember, this is not a new strain of COVID, but rather a dual infection. With this Verify segment, I'm Kanisha Dees, Fox 54 News.